cute oh. Eh, bili mo yan. Tara na sa cashier. Cashier.
Tanong mo kaya. Tikit na.
Ano yan? Magdodraw pa sila? Ay, itong cute. Itong cute. Please.
Halo, wala ng Blackpink. Ay,
Wait lang.
tapos ka na mag-smearing, Shane? Wala akong magkakanta. I don't know if you guys prefer me talking in front of the camera. Whatever, I'll do that. I'll talk with the camera. Since I'm not active here, kakatch up tayo. Think lang, ganyan. I did my skincare na, so mag-start na ako sa face. I'll be using this foundation from Chic Door. Ang downside lang dito sa foundation na to ay ganyan siya, wala siyang pump. You know guys, I'm watching like TikTok video on how to do makeups, lalo na yung sa mga doyin ba yan? Doyin na makeup look. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng Chinese makeup. That's why I'm buying Chinese makeup na rin. I forgot to put some lip balm pala. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup. Pang beginner lang yung alam ko. Ang daming nagko-compliment ng makeup ko. Sabi nila, ang ganda daw, ganyan-ganyan. Eh, pang beginner lang yun. Hindi ko alam kung inuuto nila ako or talagang kasabi sila ng totoo. I don't have a light pink shade. Do I have a light pink shade? Oh, I have a light pink shade over here. Putting this here, dito sa pinakagilid. Look at that powder. Ang hirap ng course namin. Sino ba kasi nagsabi mag-medtech ako? At yung sarili ko, wala naman pumipilit sa akin na mag-medtech ako. Hindi naman ako inutusan ng parents ko. Hoy, mag-med school ka. Maging doktor ka. Hindi nila ako natutusan na ganun. Actually, sabi nila sa akin, mag-business course ako. Sinabi lang nila na mag-business course ako, pero hindi nila ako pinilit na mag-business course. At the end of the day naman daw, yung decision ko pa rin yung masusunod. Kasi ayaw nila na parang pilit ako mag-study ng course na hindi ko naman gusto. Dadagdag pa ako ng gantong pink. Para mas maano lang, highlight. Hindi talaga pantay yung eyeshadow. Ano ba naman itong nangyayari dito? Pero kung hindi na itong makeup tutorial kasi nag-rant na lang ako eh. This is my second time putting fake lashes, so I'm so sorry if I look stupid. There. Hala, ang ganda. Ang cute! I'll be grabbing again my eyeshadow palette. Maglalagay ako ng pink dito sa my eye bags ko. I'll mix this too. I'll be putting some highlighter again. I'll be using this This is my everyday blush lately kasi look at the color. Ayan, pink siya. Ito sa pataas. Ganyan. Just highlight ko rin yung sa nose part ko. Here din. Here din. Ko. Yeah. So this is my final look. I'm wearing a tube, guys. So I'll be right back. Hi guys, so it's currently 7:47 and ngayon pa lang ako magsa-start mag-review. We have 2 midterms tomorrow. Human histo, like, and laboratory. And ang daming PPTs and ang daming kailangan reviewin. Pero ngayon pa lang ako magsa-start. Anyway, so let's go study with me.
You give me butterflies when you smile and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do?
Guys, nakarating ako sa Espanya.
Bye!
Magkano? Wala, may match. Match ang ID ba? Ba't di pagluto ka? Ano lutuin mo? Paano reaction? Yes, fitness guys. Bilhin mo na tayo, wag ka na mag-isip.
Girls dinner. Ay, girls lunch. Ayun, ginagamit ko yun. Ay, Vaseline. Charlotte. Bilis ako. Thank you so much. Thank you so much! I love you!
Sa mga sinabi na ibang nararapat sa akin.
Siyempre, mahirap madilim. Alam mo ba, nagkumarat ako dati dun sa may wensya.
Gusto lang kasi talaga ilabas si Coco, so I decided na isama na siya.
Nakakatot ka?
I will put some face mask kasi magpupuyat ako ngayon. I'm gonna use this.